Come on, come on. I need people to pull up to those bunkers. Is there anything on our left? There's one guy on the right side, but is there anybody on the left? Alright, we need to move into these little bunkers over here.
I see 2 tangos.
Where?
Directly behind cover.
Go, 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 go! Come on, get in the bunkers, get in the bunkers.
Spread out. Some people go
spread out. Right there, right there, right there. That's a ref, right? We got a runner, we got a runner! Watch out, watch out, watch out. Where is he? Where is he?
Right there behind the tower. Right?
Oh.
Yeah.
Got it. Pop your head out again. Come on. I dare you. Yeah, I got you both sides, man. Come on. There we go. Start moving up, guys. Let's start moving up. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get the runners! Get the runners! Hey, any way you can make it there? All right, go.
I'm a ref. Obviously. Are you out?
There's 2 guys right here. 2 guys right here, guys. Are they out?
He's out. Next time, don't stick your gun up in the air, man. Can't tell.
I think there's one more in there, guys. There's one more.
Russian.
That's what I'm thinking. But we need more than 2 people up here.
Hey, on the left side, I see a bunch of them moving. Oh, those are out.
All right. Move to the black. Move to the black thing right there.
Are we clear?
Hang on, hang on, hang on. All right, come on, come on, come on. Move slowly, move slowly, move slowly. Have your gun aimed. Check in the bunker, check in the bunker.
Bunker tag.
Bunker tag. Over there. Hey, guys. Is that red or yellow?
Can't tell.
Government, don't want to be here. Can't grab their props.
No.
Hey, can you back up?
Which way is it?
Right across that road.
Hey, Excuse me, where do I go? I'm out of ammo. Are you out? Yeah. Walk straight down here. We got yellow directly in front of us.
Back up, back up. Just start going down the hill. Start going with them. Alright, we have to go?
Yeah, this is their spawn. You can't stay there the whole day.
Oh. Oh, prop! Guys, hey! Hey, prop! Two in here. Go get it. Watch his back. Everybody watch this guy. Grab him. Everybody look around. This is their respawn. We can't go.
Alright, you have 30 seconds. You have to leave.
Alright, we're going. Come on. Let's go. Watch this man's back. Come on, everyone out. Come on. Let's go. Take it back to our base.
Your eyes open.
Check your six. Don't just turn around.
Where's the other mix? We left the train there.
Huh?
Long time no see.
Where's the guy with all the shit?